So today we will be installing these little caps for all the vent tabs so that they are black. Thought it might be a little cool add just to make it a little more unique. And then we have the dial covers here as well. Oh, as I dropped one, hold on. Here we go. So yeah, there. Don't know what that one's for, but I'll figure it out. It looks like it has some double-sided tape, maybe. But yeah, should be a pretty easy install. And yeah, slide these on, make it look nice. Sweet. All right, so now we're gonna install the pieces here that they just kind of like slide over, but they gave us some double-sided tape. So I've gone through and I've cleaned them all already. So I just gave them a good wipe down. Here, I'll get the double-sided tape on and then bring you back. It's just a thin little clear double-sided tape that's kind of annoying to deal with. So we will get it on here. So I have it on and I'm just squeezing it on to make sure that it's really on there, and then we can peel the white backing off if I can get it to separate. There we go. So now there is that double-sided tape there. Then you just grab one of your caps here and you just slide it on, and then you hold it. There you go, just like that. So I'll install the rest and then I'll bring you back to show. All right, so they're all on. There you go. Don't look too bad. They are a little loose, so like you can see they kind of move around on the head there, just because they aren't the exact same size as the original ones. These ones down here are good, no complaints. They sit on there nice and tight, so that's good. We got this one here too. And then it also came with this black ring for around the push button start, but mine's not chrome, so I don't know if I should put it on there or not, because it doesn't really make sense to. But yeah, there you go. Quick little random update there. Something unique and different. There we go, sweet. So I just started the car here a little while later, and I noticed how big of an indent it is now. Like, the camera's not showing it very much, but it's like a huge indent in there because of the caps. So I don't know if I'll keep them on, but for now they're good.